Let's have a board, guys. I'm selling namzobadayisela ama-Tupperware. Ngiyalazi ngiyakhola namhlanje. Ngithanda ukuthenga ama-Tupperware. So ngizodayisela nami namhlanje ama-Tupperware. Engidlale nina la. Alright, awuthi-ke sibone manje ukuthi-ke ngabe ngiphethe iphi out-jam. Khona i-out-jam engiyiphethe la all the way from Entuzuma. Songize ngithi-ke uchata na. We have Lindani Justice Jele, a rapper, producer, performer, formerly known as 2J. So we are tapping into the heartbeat of Intuzuma with a young man who's redefining what it means to rise from the streets and make real noise in the game. He's a rapper, he's a producer, he's a performer, truly a one-man powerhouse. Can you believe it? So who's Jerry from a self-taught talent to award-winning artist has inspired Abadabaning. So with a sound that's raw, authentic and proudly South African, he is here to share his story, his hustle, and his music. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give my guy a round of applause.
I'm not. You will come here as a home. I have a lot of yeah. Akuveleki lapho kule yakho. Oh le yakho kuphela.
Yeah.
Oh live le.
Yeah. Hey man, come on man. Come on. Hola my guy.
Hola sanibona bathandi besiteshi esikhulu kakhulu eKZN yonkana.
Hamba kahle my man.
Hayi ngiyaphila
I know ngithokozile ungivakashela namhlanje mfethu.
Akubonga mina nje ukuthi nibe nami and ngiyabonga nje opportunity eninginikeze yona. Baningi abayidingayo ngiyazi.
Yeah. Hey, ngibona bakubuka abantu bangafana ku-TikTok. Oh, yeah.
Wala sanibona balandela bahle.
I know. Aje nginivezelele out le ngikhuluma khona nizeyibona la ku-TikTok.
Sanibona bafowethu ubhuti nosisi.
My man, okay, first thing first. Wena umane enhlanhleni baqamba ngoLindani and then wena ngoba sewubona ukuthi usile seyashintsha la manje sibiza ngo 2J ikhoma kanjani leli gama lakho leli ka 2J?
Okay, so igama la 2J iqhamuka from i-real name yami kahle immediate name yami uJustice Isibongo Utshele. So esikoleni uma wathanda ukuthi engibhalise ngoJustice.
Oh yeah.
Okay, ngoba phela babe nalesa stereotype ukuthi igama lesilungu yona elihamba lapha emabhukwini yabona.
Enzela bongami lokuthi bakubize isipaghetti.
Ukuthi bakubize lishibli.
Justice.
Yeah, kudume wena engqondweni yabo.
Wayishintsha I know.
Yeah, ngathaya ki because manje oJJ ngikhule kahle kahle esikoleni ngibizwa ngoJJ.
Why JJ?
Shuthi uJJ yake sikwakhona nabadlali bebhola oJJ ocoach
namkhumulo coach
yes nama ngidlala ibhola futhi ngoJJ. Yeah, so ngiyangibhala neJJ futhi ukuthi ngoJJ nasesikoleni.
Bathi ungabe usawufaka coach
hayi ngawufaka ocoach.
Hayi ukuthi bese so check i-ID yakho fast manje.
No.
Check manje.
Angaze ngufake.
Wow. So idisk vele bekuyinto yakho even escale.
No, idiski ngikhule ngayo nje impela kakhulu bengu-goalkeeper ke phela sengibamba yonke into
music mfethu sishota ngo-goalkeeper bebafana mfethu even though siyicandele Rwanda awufethu.
So umusic bese ngathola kuyiyona into bese ngikwazi ukuthi ngi-express ngayo ama emotions ami ngikwazi ukuthi ngishare ngayo like impilo yami now ama thoughts ami ama views ami and ngibone ukuthi okay there's too much la kuleli khanda lami noma lincane kangaka but I can share with the whole world ukuthi kahle the love of music and to release whatever emotions that you have or kind of stress or whatever that you may come across with but if you play music yabona kuma naleya relief yabona naleya feeling of accomplishment ukuthi okay yazini manje this is the decision that I'm taking after listening to those instrument after relating to that kind of music.
But how do you define the music?
Hey, music is my life.
Yeah. Is it rap? Is it trap? Okay,
so mina basically I'm a musician.
All right.
I am versatile. So I compose my own beats.
What?
So yes, I produce for myself.
Yeah.
So ngayifundisa because yabo there's imali there's a cost to incur yabo le nto ukuthi ufuna ukukeep up with music and uhlezi futhi on target. Yeah.
Funa wenza izinto zenzeke my man.
Yes.
Hayi wena isikhokho wena.
So i-trap ngiyayenza, kasi rap ngiyayenza.
Right.
Yes, afro ngiyayenza as well. And manje ngizoba ne-collaboration futhi nabanye bo-DJs beqhumu like DJ Lungzin khona ilo isingile sesiyenzile futhi nayo sesilinde nje just ukuthi si-release.
Hey ngiyafana la.
Ngiyasetshenzwa kakhulu.
Hey tara, but there is a song man engithandayo my man. I'm going in. Tell me about that song man.
Okay, le ngoma kahle is unreleased yabona. Unreleased le ngoma leyo, so ngicabanga ukuyifaka nje kwi-project elandelayo.
Listen to this song my man.
Yeah. 2 days.
Yeah.
On the longest drive.
Hayi le ngoma le yazi ngathandani nomjisi ngangisebenza naye. So mangisebenza naye lo face ehotel mina I listen to equality unique umuntu ukuthi yazi mangesenza khona uziphosa ngathi ayi lapho umuntu oshaya isiphosa then engakaze ngiyenza and yazi wavela dope kanjani. Yo ibhizi show yimi ngofuthi. Ay ngoma le futhi mdala. Ay angikhola nokuthi mina. Serious bese ngilalela ezinye. Yeah.
I'm a minute yawa kara like when you made it rain you remember DJ Boo.
Lapho sihambela phezulu njenge flag liyabhakuza. Ngathi sengithi DJ Bobby Walker ngoba inganeziwa ngu. In this trap house now my artist but I'm upcoming. To these ladies like a submarine, I'm down coming. Take a sip, space is ning, Mangela Matoni. Like a spoon and mess, take a knee like Nico. All of you niggas be taking the food rolling a like however you know the my league. Who got all those OMT pilots who petty champagne and these are like me, like is a shooter. Nina no stumbuna tetula and feel. Kill is a new like me, umkawe from Guama shoot to Commandings. Getting in the trap house, dealing with the beach and it's my phone. Email, they're coming boy, ladies in the race, now they wanna be the only one. Even if my name starts with a 2, compliment babies like I'm like this. Ngama perfect awuthongeka kubekho inyanzelekile siphatha abantwana cing bayithe case bashiya becingile loss. The trap house full on ladies are being clean. What did my name?
Hey, wait a minute, come on. Yeah. 2 days uzosibulala la wena. So then awuyikhipanga kwi-EP ne?
Angikhiphanga le kwi-EP. Ngisayibambile because le idinga i-budget idinga futhi i-plan e-right solid.
What?
Yes.
Lalela mfethu bewushayela mina live into zakhona but let's do for your fans now.
Okay,
let's do for your fans. Let's do for your fans. Listen to this. Let's do it to your fan, man.
Okay. Yeah. Two J's. Splash Music Sound Boy. Shout out to Koloko. Yeah.
It's a live and unplugged radio show. Come on.
Yeah. Woo. Shout out to Visto. Okay. Yeah. Bafana sukwane your dreams are big ngivusabalele like kabza the small DSW nganika nebdeal rapper itrash sponsor bo Boeing bahlaba ngebeats njengamanje bahlaba nge-free style sneak ngaphatha skin somdlalo webhola ngithaithe egemini ukuhlanya ngaqala ngicosha amaphepha ngiphethe ipeni ngihlanya ngempela ngidla into engadliwe iBhayibheli that the reason why ngiphalaza amavesi angapheli flow yakho sithi ushukela ayi ilove but grand lasikhuluma ingama James that's why masosiqobo sagesi ngishoda ngo20 verse yeah sokunika ivubu nentombi yakho manihamba khona ngizokwazi ukushaya indawo shit Sting, you wanna beef, you better listen. I be like open your mind, vazima zinyo like a dentist. If beefy figure, you focus a vein most a kitchen. It's the psycho senza ngane ngono siyanzi have cooking. It's like you didn't prepare. Uhlelo beef with ngone yembuzi. She's gonna talk with that go park away na man hang amagambooz. Your style can be affordable. Every time like imale lose. To see wins impossible. Opposite win, shoot till lose.
Yeah, exactly. Are you listening, my man?
Strike pen menchis. That's the reason why Balema rams up vutumlile when it's come to definitions. Let me rhyme you can't define it like it's ball is undefined. Let's show abahlakaniphile angiyona mathematician but ngiyakwazi ukusolve x if ungizela ngeface wena man umhlabathi zoba inyembezi cause uqoma down ngeface yes you better know ukuthi man u2 J's goddamn yes is the mess
2 J's Jaguar man.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. But if you guys got, hey, I missed the Lord, God, the man too. I missed the Lord.
Bad, my man.
Sure.
Yay.
But I circle life right now.
I have second one. Still standing over man.
I thank you, Prince. I'm happy, Prince. Hey, ngisuka ngathukala ngevesi elirong.
Kodwa sibanga
Azwanga nini. Ngizamile ukuphesha nge-freestyle. Hey, Zagu, are you listening? Yes, he do. The hunting in his jungle, the survival of the fittest, but two. If the jungle's move, yeah. Jump on my lamb, he lives with his cool. Squad of campus zones, Moyama Senglu. What the showings ain't enough like half moon. Whisper na heart, Mogangu. Imtsheli leno azana ngizomshika ngoba mina ngizokichima ngize ngifike. Hey, unowenza imali ngibe kudala amantombazane ngwakhona kuthumzansi. Impilo inzima and it show son. Hey, nina ndingubisi nibene long life. Ile moto engathi yakhiwa ushembe. Masidlulunyazi emgaqweni. Black Panther on the chase, nigga. Hey, boogie yummy movie. Operation my bum belly mean. Beating mean production and everything. I gotta eat, man.
2 J's in the building, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all the way from Ntuzuma. I represent you, my man.
Yeah. Kwamancinza is where I'm from, is where I was born and raised, Baba.
Yes. So, man, we drop really EP, how many songs?
Okay, EP, Baba, in 6 tracks.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, each was move yona opening yona number 1 ilandele it's cycled imasosha and number 3 wakhona kwi EP a lifetime and number 4 wakuyona it's jungle and number 5 mase kube enye ethi aningazi base number 6 kube imilimili
mfethu sishaya impuphu
wasn't timini
lalela liphumile mfana number so ama fans akho sengakwazi ukudownload.
Yes, asengakwazi ukudownload akuna wonke ama digital platforms.
Right.
Yeah, for
Spotify,
Spotify,
iTunes,
yes,
you can name it here.
Yes, YouTube Music, you can name it.
So on
all
YouTube
majors.
it's gonna be even the videos.
Yeah, but I haven't done a music video as yet.
Yeah,
yes.
but
I do have like a lot of video
on
clips
YouTube.
on YouTube. Yes, song
So
reviews.
they must search 2J's.
If you search 2J's, number
it's
2,
it's
J,
2 as in number,
yes,
J-A-A-Y-S. Yeah.
Yes.
So search 2J's.
2J's.
And on
Yes.
social media?
On social media, you can search on Facebook with 2J's as in number 2 small letter J-A-A-Y-S capital letter S-A. That's my page. Please follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram is 2J same way. Number 2 small letter J-A-A-Y-S S-A.
What?
Yes.
Yeah,
TikTok as well as on X.
On X.
Yes.
Now it's
Not
good.
on my X.
Yeah.
Not on my X,
No, I was
please.
about to ask you, but anyway.
Please.
Thanks.
But on my X, actually.
2J's, thank you so
Yes.
much, my man. We wish you all the best,
Thank
man.
you so much. Thank you so much for having me. And shout out to Koloko.
Yes,
shout out to General Pilis Wamakwasa, Chisa Wamating Seven Isbaya.
Hey,
He always supports me and do Clive Visto. Shout out to our Facebook Wamanzinze Lokshini, Bang Niggas support it. Baningi, ngengize ngiqede guys. Shout out to abafethu eSt Augustine, abafethu kwaNet Care, abafethu baningi uSithabiso, baningi abafethu oLutho, abafethu engifuna ukuphusha nabo futhi labo ngifuna ukubafaka futhi ku Splash Music. So Splash Music is growing, guys, and anyone of St Uzuma Mawukuthi udinga indawo yokuthi nawo improve ama skills akho for music, come to istudio sami, ngabe wenza R&B noma ngabe wenza ini, thina senza music. Ama social media, inbox me, sizokwazi ukuthi sikhulume.
Wena udlala i-rap kwi-ambulance wena. Shampana.
Danke boss. Yabonga mfethu. Ngiyabonga. Hayi, danke. Osewurezla.
Lezi zokugamanxa kwehora lesihlanu ntambama sawubona. Ikhansela leqembu iDemocratic Alliance iDA ngamafuphi ngaphansi kukamasipala wedolobha iTheku ukhansela uSithembiso Ngema uhambeleke izakhamizi ezihlala ngaphansi kwezindlu ezakhwe